Alright, so we're going to try a test on these two right here. Magic Easy I've used before, it works great. Color Magic, I don't know, never used it on the boat, but yeah, my boat's in pretty bad shape because the previous owner power washed a lot, so let's see if this works. Alright, so this is my cockpit. As you can tell, it's in rough shape. The previous owner did a lot of power washing to keep it clean. And it's thinned out the gel coat to the point that there's actually pieces missing here, so I filled and faired that in. Well, paint's inevitable. This is the part we're going to look at. Let's see how that's all got pitting and cracks in the gel coat. And we'll see what it can do with these here. Those are pits where the pressure washer had gotten in the gel coat and popped it all out. So put on some tape and we'll have a side-by-side comparison. Right. Alright, got my rag set up with my Color Magic. Ignore this side of the cockpit. I'm not in a slip, I'm on a mooring in Vero, so I don't really have access to water, but I want to try this and see if it's worth doing when I get back to North Carolina. So, alright, got a little sample there. Let's get cracking. So you just apply this as you normally would. Circular motion. Already I can tell the real small cracks have filled in pretty good. I don't know. Give me maybe try some more on there. See if I can get that to fill in or... Alright, so while we're waiting for the polish to dry to a haze, what we're going to do is we're going to fix these chips. Right here and right here. So what you do is you get a little bit on there, put it in, and in the back here, a little tail of that, see it? A little tail. Just use it like a putty knife. Just go ahead and push that down in there like that. And you can see that actually does a really good job of filling in those. For the price, it's worth it. Look at all those. Yikes. So it's looking more and more like paint is going to be the only answer. But I figured I'd give this a shot and let everyone else take a peek. Let's see what's going on. All right, so I'll dry to a haze in about 15 minutes. Alright, so I just buffed it. So let's get up a little close here. See what we're working with. Really, it depends on what's under here. There you go. It actually made a slight, I'd say a slight improvement from 5 feet, but it's not going to replace the need for paint. But you can see the line, at least I can, right here. That is certainly whiter than that, and that has definitely filled in some of the microscopic cracks. Yeah. So that's how that worked. And then the Magic Easy, it's right here actually. Yeah, so those two spots got filled in pretty good, and they look good. But yeah, there's no replacing. I need to paint. So there you go. I've used the Color Magic Turtle Wax right there. I've used these before, and they've always done work. This works really well on cars. It probably would work pretty good on a boat, but my boat's the gel coat in the cockpit's really damaged. I mean, when you get down there, it ain't fixing that. I'd probably spend $80 in Magic Easy to fix it, but for small chips, that's great. And to bring your boat back to a bright white finish and fill in microscopic. That works good too. I definitely recommend that, but certainly for a car. All right, that's it. Moving on.